Hey everyone, I'm Nasibun and you are watching English 99. If you don't have any speaking partner, then don't worry. Here is ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, then you can go on Play Store and download it. And ChatGPT is very amazing. And literally, when you use this, then you also say this app is very amazing. And मैं आपको इसका लाइव डेमो करके बताती हूँ कि इसको यूज कैसे करना है। सिंपली आपको प्ले स्टोर से जाके डाउनलोड करना है। उसके बाद आपको इसको क्लिक करना है। सबसे पहले आपको चैट जीपीटी पर एक प्रॉम्प्ट लिख के भेजना है और वो प्रॉम्प्ट मैं अपने वीडियो में स्क्रीनशॉट लगा दूंगी। और एंड देन यहाँ पे आपको एक आइकन मिल जाएगा, उस आइकन को आपको प्रेस कर देना है एंड आपका जो चैट जीपीटी है वो ऑन हो जाएगा। आप इससे कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं। चैट जीपीटी, हाउ कैन आई स्पीक विथ यू?
You can just talk to me naturally, just like you're doing now. You can ask questions, share your thoughts, or even just have casual conversation. I'll listen and help you practice.
Okay. And can you correct my English?
Absolutely. As we chat, if I notice any mistakes, I'll gently correct them so you can see how to say things more naturally. Just keep speaking and I'll help you along the way.
Okay. Am I good in English?
Just a small correction there. Instead of saying I good in English, you can say I am good at English. Keep going. You're doing really well.
Okay, thank you for correcting me.
You're very welcome. I'm happy to help. If you have any other sentences or anything else you want to practice, just let me know.
And could you please tell my audience that how can they practice with you?
Of course. Hey everyone, if you'd like to practice your English with me, you can just have a conversation. Ask me questions, describe your day, or even try out sentences, and I'll help correct them and guide you along the way. So feel free to jump in anytime.
Okay. Hey ChatGPT, give me 10 words and with sentences.
Sure, I can give you 10 words, each with a sentence. Just to clarify, do you want the words and sentences in English, or would you like them translated into another language?
I want in English.
Got it. Here we go. I'll give you 10 words, and each word will be used in a sentence. Adventure. She dreamed of going on an adventure around the world. Second, challenge. He accepted the challenge with confidence. Third, journey. Their journey took them across many countries. Fourth, discovery. The scientist made a groundbreaking discovery. Fifth, harmony. They lived together in perfect harmony. Sixth, creativity. Her creativity helped her design unique solutions. Seventh, freedom. They fought for freedom and equality. Eighth, innovation. Technology thrives on constant innovation. Ninth, wisdom. With age comes wisdom and experience. And 10th, friendship. Their friendship grew stronger over time.
Okay. What is mean wisdom?
Wisdom means the ability to make good decisions and judgments based on knowledge and experience. So it's not just what you know, but how you apply it in life.
Okay, thank you so much ChatGPT.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any other questions or need more practice, just let me know.
Okay, give me complete roadmap.
Sure. So a complete roadmap might look like this. First, choose a specific area or skill you want to focus on, like speaking, listening, or writing. Then set a regular schedule. Practice every day or a few times a week. After that, engage with diverse content, listen to podcasts, watch videos, and read articles. And finally, practice with a partner, like me. Keep it interactive, and over time, you'll see a big improvement.
And bye.
Bye, take care, and I'll be here if you need anything else. Have a great day.
As you can see guys, you can practice like that. लिटरली आपको जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं, जो चैट जीपीटी है उसको तुरंत आंसर करेगा और अगर आप हिंदी से इंग्लिश करना चाहते हैं ट्रांसलेट, तो भी चैट जीपीटी करके देगा। यानी कि मतलब आपको टेंशन लेने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है। चैट जीपीटी ऑलवेज बी देयर आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए, अगर आपके पास स्पीकिंग पार्टनर नहीं है तो। आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ दैट यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग। बाय।